Karen Jetley Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox the most iconic budget watches ever made. So that is your Casio Royale. So the model number for this watch is AE-1200WH. Now guys, here is the box. It is a classic Casio box, nothing fancy about it. Let us open it, and here we go. So guys, you can see the dial. It is a retro digital display dial, and it is a two-tone dial, and you can see the world map on it. You can see the world map on it. Okay, so they call it Casio Royale because it was used in Casino Royale. That is a James Bond movie. All of you must be aware of it. Now let us take it out and let us hold it in hand. You can see the display on this watch is negative positive display, means background is white and the display is black in color. Okay, and here you can see the different options it gives you. So it has a world time zone. Okay, so then it has a countdown timer, it has alarm, it has a stopwatch, and it comes with 10-year battery life. And here you can see the light function on this watch. I hope you can see this. Okay, so guys, before I end this, let us wear it on my wrist and let us see how it looks and how it feels. So guys, here it is. So it fits pretty nicely on the wrist. Okay, so if you like stylish functional retro classic watches in budget, so and this is one for you. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and much more. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.